Sankarajulu that you write a song about this beggar as like Kurayodumillai Marimurthy Kanna. All the people knows about that songs sung by various singers, Yesudas, Sudha Raghunathan, so many people. Like that song, you composed a song. Then that Sankarajulu has composed this song and sing the song in front of Yogiram Suratkumar. It narrates all the facilities, the south side which is situated, north side which is situated, east side which is situated, and western side which is situated. Such a way he composed a song. We can be able to take holy bath in the ocean, which is situated half a kilometer away from our ashram. Then second thing, Bhagavan statue erected at Mailadi and installed here before Kumbhabhishekam. All Abhishekams, the statue erected at Kanimadam Yogiram Suratkumar Mantralayam only by the grace and blessings. So, whoever offer prayer and in front of the statue of Bhagavan Yogiram Suratkumar, Bhagavan give you the enormous boons. Whatever difficulties you are facing day-to-day affairs, Bhagavan will remove all the negative and give the positive energy to all the people. Vedandam, Siddhantam, Yadum Ariyame. We don't know anything about Vedanta and Siddhanta. Only chanting your name, that alone exists. Nothing such a way. Then lot of people are went to Tirupati, Tirutani, Alagaramalai, Parangundam. They are only climbing because a lot of steps in the Tirupati also by they are reaching Tirupati, Tirutani, Alagaramalai, Parangundam. So Bhagavan, why we choose a place? Because there is no difficulty to the devotees to climb to the rock or other steps. He has allotted for this holy work only plain. There is no need to climb. Kadarkarayil Samaveligil Kanimadam Vandayo. By the grace and blessings of Paramparul Yogiram Suratkumar, Bhagavan told that Nambudiri from Guruvayur will come and perform 5 times puja. Abhishekam, 6 o'clock, 7:30 puja, 11:30 puja, and 8:30 puja. During the time of the watering by Paramparul Yogiram Suratkumar, he came to Kanimadam and stayed here also. My Tabasi, who gave food to Yogiram Suratkumar. Such a way, my father frequently told that yes, I have feeded to a great saint who came here. Such a way, things went on. There is a previous birth connection. So, you are Kesava, Yogiram Suratkumar, Kesava, Madhava, Achyuta, Govinda, Om Muruga, Namachivaya. All in all, Yogiram Suratkumar. கலிகால மக்கள் எல்லாம் கண்கண்ட தெய்வம் என்று காணுமிடம் வந்தாயோ. Bhagavan appeared first darshan. He appeared in front of me as Lord Shiva, Vishnu and Brahma. All are united in the form of Yogi Ram Saratkumar. So you are the universal God. So that is why in this 1968 we have ex-governor Pa Ramachandran released a book, Universal Father Yogi Ram Saratkumar, Universal God Yogi Ram Saratkumar. Such a way things are been done. So all the people must come and worship and pray in front of the statue. My father shower his blessings. Whatever you wish, whatever your prayer, accept the prayer, give them enormous food. Such a way all the people will come. We invite all the devotees and people of this world come and pray to Bhagavan Yogi Ram Saratkumar. Jai Yogi Ram Saratkumar Maharaj ki
Jai Om.
Vetti Vetti
Jayam Jayam.
Jayam Jayam.
Vitti Vitti.